How to fix TikTok login error on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix the TikTok app's login error on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're not being able to log into TikTok for various reasons, that could be happening due to three most likely reasons. The first is the app issue, the second is the account issue, the third is the credentials issue. To get started with the application issue, what you need to do is just go ahead and launch the settings application. Once you launch settings, you want to make sure that you're under the general tab, and once you come to general, you want to go to the option that says iPhone storage. When you go to iPhone storage, just scroll down and then here you want to look for TikTok. What you want to do is make sure to simply offload the app. Don't worry, it's not going to delete your data. Try to offload it and then reinstall it and then see if that actually helps solves your problem. If it doesn't, then what you can try to do is open up your respective app store, and then in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update, then if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. What updating does is it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. Now if this doesn't help, then what you can actually try to do is, if you're using Wi-Fi, simply try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, because sometimes what happens is that whenever TikTok has banned your specific IP address from accessing the server, and then when you switch your network, it's going to change the IP address. It could give you access back into your account. So just try that out if it helps you. If it doesn't, last but not the least, the reason could also be due to your incorrect credentials. So just open up TikTok, make sure that all of your details are actually correct, make sure that your phone number is correct, your email address or your username, and your password is also correct, and then only try to log into your account. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.